Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we're going to discuss about how to create a record in a model from the code. Right now we have seen how we can create a record inside a model. Just we can click on create button and we can just enter the data and we can click on save button. So if we do like this, right now there is a validation. So like this you can create a records in a model from the front end. So let's see how we can do the same by using the code. So earlier in the purpose of creating how to create a wizard video, we have created a menu, and on clicking the menu item we are getting a wizard. So in this wizard we can just enter the patient name as well as appointment date. So on clicking this create button, let's create a record inside the appointment model with the given information here. So let's see how we can create a record inside appointment model with the details entered here. So if I click on this button right now, you will get an error message because I haven't defined the corresponding method inside the model. So you can see create appointment has no attribute create appointment. So first of all I have to define this method inside this model, that is create.appointment. So if I take the corresponding model, you can see this is the create.appointment model which is shown in the error message create.appointment. So here I have to define the function with the given with the name I have given for the button. So I have just defined the corresponding function in the name. So let's see how we can create a record. So if I take appointments in the another tab, so I will open the appointments here in the another tab, and if you check the appointments, you can see right now we have 11 records inside the appointments tab. There is no default filters or any filters are there. We will create a new record here from the code. So let's see how we can do that. So this is the wizard that we are talking about. So here inside the wizard code, you can see if I take the corresponding XML file, you can see this is the code we have added for the button, that is name create appointment string create type object. So on clicking the button, this function inside the model will get called. So right now inside this model I will create record in the appointment model. So for that self.env, you have to give self.env, and inside that you have to specify the model name. So here we have to create record. So I'll just activate the developer mode from the URL. As I have told, you can either activate the developer mode from the URL, or you can go to the settings and from there you can activate the developer mode. So once the developer mode is activated, I can get the model name of this appointment. So if I click on edit view form, you can copy the model name. So you have to take, first of all you have to take the model in which you have to create the record. So I'm going to create new record inside the hospital.appointment model, self.env dot model name, then create, then you have to vals. So use which val, so here we have an indentation error, so I will just correct it. So inside the function I have called the model hospital.appointment dot create function is called with vals. Now I have to create a dictionary with the given vals, that is I will create a dictionary. Okay, I'll create a new dictionary, and inside the dictionary I have to pass these values, that is patient ID. I will give here a self.patient_id.id, and in the next column appointment date, that is self.appointment date. I'll explain the thing after typing the code. Self.appointment date I have given, that is here. First of all you can see here this is the appointment model where we have to create the record. So if I take the technical name of the field, you can see this is patient ID, patient_id. So here I have to give the corresponding name, patient_id. You have to give the same name in the model. So next if you check here appointment date, yeah, this is the date. If you place the mouse over, you can see the field, technical field, the technical name of the field is appointment date. So I will give that name here, appointment date. So here I have given inside the in the keys of the in the key of the dictionary, you have to specify the field name inside this model, that is the field names inside this model where the values has to be assigned. So this is the patient field is the field inside hospital.appointment, and appointment date is also a field inside hospital.appointment, and to the a patient ID I have assigned self.patient ID, the value inside this field, and to the appointment date I have assigned self dot the field value inside this field. So I'll just copy this. So I have written this code. Now I will just restart the service. Let's see what happens right now. If we go to appointments tree view, you can see right now we have only if it's, you can see loading. Right now we have only 11 records. So from the wizard, I'll select the doctor and I'll create a new patient. Let's create a new patient from here. Let it be YYY. Age I will give us 12. I just created a new patient that is with the name YYY. If I select that patient, you can say I will select the patient. And what's wrong with it? It's not getting selected. Okay, there is some issue in creation. I'll select an existing patient, that is Ajay Matthew.sp. You can see here, if you check here, there is only one appointment for the Ajay Matthew SP, and total number of appointments is 11. So if I click on the create button right now, just I will click on create button. Okay, done. And if I click again, you click on this, you can see number of records get increased, that is the records become 12, and you can see a new record for Ajay Matthew has been selected. So I will just create one more appointment from here. I'll choose Ajay Matthew again, Ajay Matthew with the date September 5. Okay, I will click on create button. Now the number of records will get into 13. Okay, 13. Where is Ajay Matthew SP 14? Yeah, you can see Ajay Matthew SP September 5. So this is how you can create a record in a model using code. Thus, what you have to, first of all, you have to create a dictionary. Right inside dictionary, I'll show you one more thing. Suppose if we have if I take appointments model, we have age field here, that is, let's pass the age also, that is age, patient age, that not, let's pass some registration note. You can see the field name of the registration note is notes. So I'll just give this value here, so notes, and I will give the value of the notes as created from the wizard barcode, like that. I will give the value to the nodes as created from the wizard barcode. Now I will restart the service. Okay, I'm going to assign this thing into nodes field, and that is this field, registration node. So right now you can see you have got if I click switch to review, you can see right now 13 records. Okay, and the last record creator is HP00 HP014. Okay, now I'll go to the appointments wizard, and from here I will choose the patient as Odoo itself, and appointment date I will select as tomorrow. Okay, and if I click on create button, okay, it's successful. And if you reload the screen, you can see number of records is 14 and HP015 is created, and inside the registration note you will see the value we have given here, that is created from the code. So let's open the record HP015. You can see created from the wizard bar code. So this is how you can easily create records from the code. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment it out or reach us over the mail odoomates@gmail.com. Thank you.